up, level 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 up. All this on me so yummy, all this sauce so yummy. No, you want this yummy.
Good morning, you guys. So Mama and I are getting dressed and I'm curling my hair. Now this is a hack you can use if you did not bring your freaking curler, wand curler. And this is the side I have not curled yet. And or basically put waves in. And so the hotel has these hangers, right? And this little stick is what I'll be using. You need to find something that's metal or wooden that will not burn due to curling it and put heat to it. Now I'm going to go back here and do some more. I want my waves to be more defined. So I'm going to comb that. Put just a little holding spray on it. I got that from Dollar Tree. Take the stick, wrap around the stick, wrap the hair around it. I like to do the bottom portion first because the ends will unravel. And you just put it on there. Make sure you roll it around. Now the ends can unravel if you want to, but make sure the other portion is done too. Then you pull the stick down and you have your curl. And that one came out beautiful. Let me try this one. As you do it, you get better and better. The holding spray really helps. You twisting it. You're not just wrapping it, you're twisting it. I'll put some holding spray on there on my end so I can try to get it to stick. And then pull your stick down. And look at that beautiful curl. It's going to be the same way, so I'm not going to unravel it now until I finish my whole hair. So that's it. I'll see you later. Okay, you guys, this is how it came out. After I combed it out and fingered it out. I see it. What it looks like. If y'all can see it good, let me change angles. I'm packing up and get ready to leave. So, this curl for the bit. Really pretty. I'm soft for the way. So, alright, you guys.